Good morning. Today I'm going to demonstrate about the Kali Linux. Okay, Kali Linux in Fedora Linux. Actually, what is the Kali Linux? Okay, Kali Linux is the same as a backtrack Linux. Okay, sorry, other Linux like a Red Hat. Okay, Ubuntu. Okay, Fedora, Yellow Duck. Okay, Kali Linux is the same as other Linux: Red Hat, Ubuntu, Fedora, and Yellow Duck. So, what is the differences between the Kali Linux and Red Hat Linux? Okay, Ubuntu Linux, Fedora Linux, and Yellow Duck Linux. What is the differences? There is a quite differences. The differences is Kali Linux allow you to extra ability to services. That service is normally penetration related services. Penetration related services. Okay, services. It is extra in a Kali Linux. Okay, extra in a Kali Linux. Before the coming the Kali Linux, okay, it was the backtrack Linux. Being RSC student, okay, you should know about the Kali Linux and backtrack Linux. Okay, and who used the Kali Linux? Who used the backtrack Linux? Actually, security professional, okay, hacker, cracker, okay, ethical hacker, okay. Normally use the Kali Linux because Kali Linux by default inbuilt comes with the extra penetrations related services. Okay, forensic related services, tools and services. So Kali Linux is popular among the security professional, hackers, cracker and ethical hackers. It's the same as a Linux. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install Kali Linux and how to use. I will try to cover the both of the topics using and as well as the installations. Okay, for the installation you need to have the two things. First is number one, Kali Linux ISO, bootable ISO. Number two, VMware. Even though you can install the Kali Linux directly on your computer, but this is my laptop's, okay, and I'm not going to format my laptop by Kali Linux. Okay, I want to use both of the operating system, Kali as well as the Windows and other operating systems. This is the time of the virtualizations, so no one format the computer for the one operating system. Everybody use the VMware, okay, to demonstrate, to practice the different OS and different technology. Fine. And one of the important thing you don't know, you shouldn't forget, that is the Kali Linux is the successor form of the backtrack Linux. Okay, backtrack Linux. There is lot of Linux distribution, Kali, okay, Yellow Duck, Puppy, Linux, okay, but we are not going to cover all of this Linux. Just today my demonstration is a backtrack Linux, Kali Linux. Okay, so how to install the Kali Linux, okay, in VMware. For VMware, first you need to download the VMware. For VMware, go to the Google's VMware download. Okay, VMware allow you to, I think 30 or 14 days, okay, trial version. You can download the VMware from here in a trial mode. Okay, you can download. There is a two flavor of the VMware. One of the VMware vSphere hypervisor. Okay, ESXi. It is a normally professional form of the VMware. It is used in the data centers. Okay, it's large scale of the environment, large scale of the lane data center. Okay, normally this technology normally cover in the BCP certification course. Okay, when you do the BCP certification course in futures, then you will do all of the things related to the VMware under the ESXi. Okay, but in my case, okay, we should choose the just VMware workstation. Where is the VMware workstation? I think I am the other type the VMware. I should choose the VMware workstation Pro. Okay, it is a workstation. Okay, it's personal use or purpose. Like this version is like a Windows 7, and this version like a Windows servers. Fine. Now the installation process and installation method is almost same with the Red Hat Linux, but quite different. Okay, so students should aware with the installation and configuration of the Kali Linux first. Okay, gentlemen. Now next thing is you need to have the Kali Linux ISO, and ISO is also free. You can download the ISO from this site. Simple. Google.com. Actually, I love to do Google. Download Kali Linux. This is the authorized site. Okay, you can go over here. You can see the lots of ISO links. Okay, and there is two options to get the Kali Linux. First is the direct ISO. Okay, if you want to use this one, this direct ISO, then you don't need any software. For uTorrent, you need to install the uTorrent software first. Okay, here is the lot of flavor of the Kali Linux. Kali Linux 64-bit. If you have the 64-bit operating system, a computer hardware, then this is best for you. 32-bit, for 32-bit for bit. So light. Okay, this is the normally you can download. I already downloaded this one. Okay, so I have the Kali Linux on my Windows. What is the computers? This is my PC and F drive and Linux. Where is the Linux? Okay, this one. Yes, I have already downloaded this ISO. Okay, 3GB something. Now I have already VMware here. Okay, now how to install this is the Kali Linux. Let's delete this one. Actually, this is Kali Linux. Let's delete. Remove. To create the machine, okay, to create the machine, to recreate the machine for the Kali Linux, okay, you have the two way. First is to create a new virtual machine. Second is a file new virtual machine. Both are the same, but sometimes this is not appear. Okay, like when you open the other type of the services, this might not be appear. Okay, so normally I love to go from here, like file and virtual machine. Actually, let's close this background VMware. This one, and this one. File new virtual machine. Next, I will install the operating system later. Next, and Linux. Let's see the Kali Linux in this list. I think there is no list in of Kali Linux. No. Then you can choose the 2.6 .x kernel 64-bit. As we know, my Kali Linux is 64-bit Kali Linux. Next, and name of the virtual machine Kali Linux. You can put any name, okay, as your wish. In my case, I'm going to put the Kali Linux name. And this is the default location of your virtual machines. Okay, okay. If you have the enough space on the C drive, this location normally indicating the C drive. Okay, if you have the enough space on the C drive, then no worry, you can go directly next. But in my case, unfortunately, I don't have the enough space on the C drive. Okay, so I'm going to choose a different location for my Kali Linux. Do browse and go to the computers. Where is the computers? F drive, and then create a one folder as a Kali VM. Okay, for good understanding or for good remember. Oh, this file is already there. Okay. Next. This is already there, so I have to delete this one first. What is the Kali VM? Kali VM. No. This is the Kali VM. Okay, delete. It's deleted. Now I can create a number of processor. It depends upon your computer's hardware. Okay, if you are going to deploy the guidelines in the server operating system, it might be 8 processor, 16 processor. Okay, but in my case, this is my laptop. Okay, I have only 4 processor, so I am going to choose the 2 processor. The putting the two processor on this menu, this wizard, that means you are going to specify your machine as a 64-bit in a VMware. To be a 64-bit, at least you need to have the 2 logical processor. Fine. 2. And next, and select the RAM. In my case, I'm going to select the 6 GB RAM. Then next, use the bridge networking. That means you want to make the communication able your call links with the other computer, external computer, internet or other computer. Okay, this is option. You can choose this one also, this one also, this one also. Okay, host only means host in the VMware. Do not use network means you don't want to install the network in Kali Linux. Okay, or you don't want to bring down your Kali Linux in the networking. Okay, this is the options. Next, and is recommended iSCSI. The ID is very old technology. Okay, this is not used in present time. Okay, you can find out the ID technology in old type of computer, Pentium 3 computer, Pentium 2 computer. Next, create virtual disk. Next, and specify the partitions 80 GB. It's a single file. Okay, single file means in light mode. Next, and customize hardware. This is the option. Okay, I don't want to printers. I don't want to use the printer on the guidelines. Remove. Okay, sound card. It depends upon your option. Okay, it depends on your choice. USB, it is necessary. Network adapter is already bridge. Okay, CD DVD, I have to choose the ISO. Okay, why is the my Kali ISO? This is a Kali ISO. Processor 2, RAM 6.1 GB is okay enough. Close and finish. Power on. By default, okay, you will see this menu. Here is a lot of options like AMD 64-bit Kali. This means you don't want to install the Kali Linux on your computer, even though you want to use the Kali without installing the Kali in your computers. First option is that. Second option is fail-safe. It's like a troubleshoot option, regular option. Third is a forensic mode. Forensic mode means it's normally used the forensic means by police and administrative authority to find out the criminal. Okay, to decode the data. Okay, for those purposes use the forensic mode. And this is last is the USB forensics persistence. Okay, this is not used right now, means I'm not going to demonstrate this one. Encryption, this also I'm not going. These are the advanced mode. Okay, this is install means install in command mode, CLI mode, install with the graphical mode. Okay, install with speech, advanced option. I'm not going to choose all of these. Okay, I'm only going to choose the graphical installation. Okay, simple installation with graphics desktop. Do enter. Next type of the Linux you should know about the Fedora Linux. Fedora Linux. Download the Fedora from the site and install the Fedora on VMware. Okay, install the Fedora from directly in computer. Okay, Fedora is also you should know. Good to know. Okay, English is a language. My favorite language is English. I don't want to use the Danish, Dutch, Chinese, French. Okay. This is the location where you are. United States, India, Nepal. I think Nepal is not here. Nepal is not here. No problem. I will request with Kali. I will email to Kali. Okay, to put the Nepal location. Okay. Okay, I'm going to select the India. Continue. And this is the keyboard. Okay, normally we prefer to use the US keyboard, American keyboard, no problem. Continue. And Kali Linux. Okay, try to okay collect all of the configuration of the computer. Okay, so he's going to collect all the configuration of the system. It takes a few time. Be patient. The your network is probably not using the DHCP protocol, or alternatively DHCP server may be slow or network hardware is not working properly. Means Kali Linux unable to find out the DHCP server in the LAN networks. No problem. Okay, I'm not going to obtain the IP from DHCP server. Okay, continue. You have the option over here. Configure network manually. You can do this one. IP address 192.168.30. For example 30. Fine. Next, 24 bit. Means you tell the Kali Linux, okay, what is the your network max and what is your host. Next, gateway 30.1 is fine. Name server 88. Next, he is detecting the network. Okay, card. It takes a few time. Okay, guys. The second thing is host name. Okay, what host name you want to put? In my case, okay, I'm going to put the different host name, that is NETWORKWORLD host. Okay, it's too long. No problem. Continue. Domain, leave it. Okay, I don't have the DNS server. Okay, right now. Continue. This is root passport. Okay. Next. Okay, this is the partition option. Okay, guided interdicts set up LVM. Guided use the interdicts and set up the encryption LVM. Actually, LVM stands for the logical volume manager. It is advanced partition systems of the Linux. Okay, as well as Windows. Okay, it's like a dynamic disk in the Windows. Okay, in a Linux. This partition system I will cover in the RSC topics later. Actually, I'm not going to choose the LVM. Okay, I'm going to choose the manual. Manually, I want to specify the partitions, and then after continue. And here is the lot of option: guiding partition, configure ISKG volume. ISKG means different technology. Okay, ISKG is like we already done the ISKG in MCC course. If you have the partition that is located space that is located in servers, and you are going to install your Kali on that space provided by the SCSG servers. But in my case, I don't have the SCSG server. Okay, I am going to use the VMware. So this is my option. Okay. Don't get confusion. Okay, many students see the many students normally get the confusion over here. VMware. Then after continue. Note that you will be able to undo the operating system later. Create a new entity partition table on these devices. Will you want to create the partition on these devices? Yes, I want. Continue. This is the option. Okay, here is the all tab option. So don't go in the upper level of the option. Okay, I'm going to use this one. This one, free space, and then after continue. Create a new partition. Okay. How much space you want to allow for your Kali Linux? In my case, I'm going to give the 50 GB for the Kali Linux. Okay. Primary logical. Primary is okay. Beginning and ending. Beginning. It is beginning. Now, don't do continue. Okay. It's a quite puzzling game over here. Puzzling steps. Do the
setting of the
setting of the partition, and then after
continue.
And don't do the continue. Okay, directly go to the
Finish partition and write change to it.
oh yes. Okay. It is quite puzzling. Okay. Here is the partition text. Do you want to return the partition menu? No, I don't want to return. Okay. Write to the changes text means partition is going to change. Okay. Yes, partition should be changed. Okay, partition should be formatted. Should be get format. Okay, to install the Kali Linux. After continue, it's going to be installed. Okay, to take the time, so I'm going to pause the video. Continue. If you install the insist CDDB, choose the mirror will be of the only a very minimal servers.
This is for like update हुन्छ नि
Yes.
यो RSC चाहिँ किन अपडेट हुनु भएको जब कि 6 भनेर धेरै अगाडिको अब अहिले आउँदाखेरि अहिलेको लेटेस्ट अपडेटहरू चाहिँ लिनुपर्ने अपडेट गर्ने त्यहाँ हामीले जस्तै रेपोसिटी बनाउँछौँ त्यस्तै त्यहाँनिर सर्भरको त्यहाँनिर हामीले सुरुमा इन्स्टल गर्दाखेरि नै चेकमा क्लाक हुन्छ त्यसमा हाई एबिलिटी भन्ने छ लोड ब्यालेन्सर भन्ने छ दुईटैबाट नै हुन्छ हुनु चाहिँ कसरी हुन्छ त्यो उयो भएको
Install the grab loader master boot record. Yes. Continue. Yes. Oh god. Yes. This one. This is the options where the grub is going to be loaded inside your operating system. Grub stands for Grand Unified Bootloader, which allow you to boot your operating system from your computers. It is equivalent to boot MGR in the Microsoft. And one more bootloader of the Linux is there, that is called Lilo. LILO, Linux loader. But the grub is a powerful than Linux loader. Okay, so LILO is not used in present time. Even Red Hat, Ubuntu, all of the other vendor also use the Linux vendor. Linux use the grub. Okay, Grand Unified Bootloader. Okay, your name, root. It look like the rail 7. Okay. Passport. Why is a terminal? It's a terminal. Same command are same. Okay, with the Reddit. Config. Ping 192.168.30.77. So local IP. Okay. 30.1 is the gateway. Destination was unreachable. Okay. What is the problem over here? Go to the edit, virtual editors, and wow, one of the adapters, one of the networks should be the Guru sir bridge mode. Okay. In my case, I don't have the bridge mode. Is this one now? Okay. Now go to the Ankali setting and do the bridge. Okay. I'll find. Setting. Come. Network adapter. Bridge. Edit. It should be bridge. Okay. Where is the adapter? I think this one. Now your internal traffic is going to the external computers. Fine. Control C. Now you can do nmap net discover to discover all the live computers.
Same range.
Same as a
Range.
well.
Same range. Same network.
No, different will become also. Look, 1.1 also coming over there. But in actual in my lateral drive is 30, but 1.1 also coming. All of the range, okay, which are the connected in your lane networks. Net discover. You can specify range also. And nmap command www.facebook.com.
Within lane?
Yes, within lane. You can do on the one also, but my focus is not in the one. Okay, just in lane. Let's check the IP address of Facebook. The command is ns lookup www.facebook.com. IP address is 31, I think. Nmap. Which one are within lane? Nmap or net discover? Sir? 78.35. No, NETWORKWORLD is I'm going to trying to find out the IP, actual IP address of the Facebook, okay? But I'm unable, okay? Let's go from the Windows. Command ns lookup. (202) dot 51.73 37. The nmap is the information gathering process, okay? Which port are open or which are not open, okay? Like for example, let's go on the 30.1. As we know, this is our gateway. TCP port is open, TCP protocol is open. To the second is HTTP, okay? Now it is possible to go, hacker and cracker can go over the TCP and TCP23 and TCP80, okay? So it is a vulnerability checking. What protocol are open or not on the devices is normally, okay, can discover by the gather by the nmap command. That means I can do telnet on login. That means I can do HTTP link HTTP link is not installed. You have to go on the browser. http://190.168.130.1. It's open. Means normally nmap helps you to find out the what port and what services, what protocol is open on the server or devices. Okay, go through. Thank you for watching my video.